Hey guys, I'm going to be reviewing the RK61 gaming keyboard. The RK61 keyboard is a small 60% keyboard. It doesn't have the number pad or arrows. However, there are arrows built in. You can just hold down function and the keys next to it, or you can press function and shift at the same time, and that makes those keys become arrows. To turn it back to normal, you just hold down function and shift again. To use F1, you just press function and 1. Its function and 2 for F2, and so on. The keycaps that come with the RK61 are double-shot ABS plastic. They are all right quality, however I switched them out for these HyperX double-shot PVD keycaps. They make the RGB look better, and they feel nicer. The RGB has a bunch of different modes, which you can switch through by pressing function and slash. It also has a bunch of different colors, which you can switch through by pressing function and period. I have the red switches on my RK61. However, it does come in blue switches and brown switches. So if you want like a more clicky switch, then you can get those. The RK61 has a removable micro USB cable, so if the cable breaks, you can just plug in a new one. The RK61 also has Bluetooth capabilities, so it can be wireless, but it adds noticeable lag, so the wireless mode isn't good for gaming. One thing that happened when I first got this keyboard was that there was a red light on the spacebar. I was worried at first, but I found out that that just means the battery for the Bluetooth mode is charging. It will go away after a couple seconds. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you did not enjoy the video, leave a dislike. I don't really care, so it doesn't matter. Remember to subscribe, and goodbye.